Welcome to Nature and Climate. In our maiden edition of this program, we talked about climate change, the effect to human health, and the natural environment. Today, we'll be talking about extreme weather events orchestrated by climate change as a result of human activities. We take our case studies from the United Nations Environmental Development Program, UNDP, with regards to GEF program and document. GEF is Global Environment Facility. It is a program as well as arm or body under the World Bank Group, jointly managed with the United Nations Environmental Development Program, UNDP. The most worrisome and urgent issue from the above documents is the non-adherence and violation of the protocol by the UN Climate Change Conference of Parties, member countries, especially the advanced nations. From the 1992 Rio Earth Summit, which adopted the UN Prevention on Biological Diversity and UN Prevention on Climate Change, up till last year Glasgow Convention. From the GEF and UNDP documents on chemicals and wastes, at Minamata Convention on Mercury, the objective, among others, was support for the implementation of Stockholm Convention on persistent organic pollutants, Minamata Convention on Mercury, and Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. But today, contrary is the case. The extreme weather events and the emergence of threatening new diseases as a result of hazardous chemicals and emissions of different dangerous chemicals, the depletion of the ozone layer, the degradations, toxification, and acidification of the ocean and the water bodies is posing serious health challenges to both mankind and the entire ecosystem. The daily carbon footprint and greenhouse gas has increased exponentially, not to mention the mining and the use of uranium and other hazardous substances for the nuclear power plant. The effect of weapons, chemicals, and weapons of mass destruction used in the ongoing conflicts and wars between Russia and Ukraine, Israel and Hamas will soon stare us on our faces, and the effect will linger for a very long time. But the question is this: where is the role and the position of the United Nations in the unfolding events? Hold your answers. See you in the next edition.